Hey there, science enthusiasts. Ever wondered how folding a piece of paper could take you to the moon? Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, let's dive into this mind-blowing concept and see how the magic of exponential growth can make it happen. Imagine you have a regular sheet of paper. It's thin, around 0.1 millimeters thick. Now, folding it in half makes it twice as thick, right? So one fold and you've got 0.2 millimeters. Easy peasy. But here's where things get wild. With every fold, the thickness doubles. By the second fold, it's 0.4 millimeters. Fold it a third time, and it's 0.8 millimeters. Doesn't sound like much yet? Stick with me. By the seventh fold, the paper is over 12.8 millimeters thick. That's already over a centimeter. But we're just getting started. Let's keep going. By the 10th fold, we're at about 10 centimeters. That's roughly the thickness of a hand. At the 20th fold, the paper's thickness leaps to over 100 meters. That is almost as tall as a 35-story building. Insane, right? But wait, there's more. At 30 folds, the paper would be about 100 kilometers thick. That's like stacking Mount Everest on top of itself 11 times. And we're not even close to 42 folds yet. Here's where it gets truly astronomical. By 42 folds, the paper would reach a thickness of approximately 439,804 kilometers. Guess what? That's more than the average distance to the moon, which is around 384,400 kilometers. Mind-blowing, isn't it? Now, realistically, folding a piece of paper 42 times is practically impossible due to physical limitations. But this fascinating thought experiment perfectly illustrates the power of exponential growth. Exponential growth isn't just a quirky math concept. It's a force of nature. From populations to technology, and even viruses, exponential growth shapes our world in surprising ways. So next time you're daydreaming about the moon, remember this little paper folding trick. It's a fun reminder of how quickly things can escalate when they grow exponentially. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this brain-bending journey, make sure to like and subscribe for more mind-expanding content. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.